10 ways to look after your mental health. Talk about your feelings. It's important to let others know how you feel and not keep things bottled up inside. Keep active. Regular exercise at least 3 times a week, even if it is just going for a quick walk in the fresh air. Take a break. It is important to have regular breaks away from work and technology. Eat well. Eat a balanced diet, plenty of fruit and vegetables and not too much junk food. Keep in touch. Have a good network of people you can reach out to both in and outside the workplace. Drink sensibly. Keep hydrated, drink plenty of water and limit alcohol and fizzy drinks. Do something you are good at. It's important to take time out to do things you enjoy and excel at. Ask for help if needed. Don't be afraid or embarrassed to ask others for help. Accept who you are. Don't strive to be who you are not. Be comfortable in your own skin. And finally, care for others. Take time out to check in on others and give back. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website or contact us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.